As one might hope of a brand's latest flagship headphone, the HP3s are the most impressive headphone Klipsch has ever created, according to Vlad Grodzinskiy, Senior Manager of Product Development. Hand-assembled by Klipsch, the handsome over-ears feature, like the rest of the models in the Heritage range, wooden ear cups, magnetic and removable sheepskin ear pads, and hand-stitched cowhide headband. The 52mm biodynamic drivers have a free-edge design Klipsch claims improves clarity and reduces coloration, and are supposedly capable of delivering a soundstage on a par with the company's best speakers. With impedance of just 25 ohms, they are able to work just as easily with smartphones and portable music players as they are with amplifiers. The HP3s are available in walnut, ebony or oakwood finishes, and come equipped with 1.4 meters and 2 meters removable cables, a 6.3mm adapter and a headphone stand.